So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we have our ink nice and stirred up well. And then we want to lay down kind of a blob of ink here to get us started. Okay? Nice big blob of ink that runs the full width of our logo. Okay. Now, next thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and take a gumshoe that this was a damaged gumshoe. It was damaged in shipment, and it had some holes in it that was made by the customs people. But you can go ahead and take really any cloth, and in this case you probably will just take a cloth that has already been washed, and maybe a gumshoe that's already been washed, and just go ahead and sacrifice it to this process, because what we want to do is to make sure that we have everything in the right position, where everything works out great. And we don't need to put this in a particular place, right, because this is just a test to see that we have everything working properly. So we just put that in there, and we go ahead and that looks pretty good. So that's 3 passes. Now we want to make sure that when we go to change it, we want to rake back over the logo so the ink is, we have wet ink on the screen, because this is water-based ink and it'll dry, and we don't want that. Okay, so we go ahead and do that. And see how the small letters print nicely on the gumshoe, because it's stuck down to the table with the gum. All right. Okay. So now we can just look to see if everything is working. Everything looks good. We can go ahead and do another one, just because we have it here, and it's no big deal. Get it all down there. See, it's nice and flat. See, when you push down on it, that little gap, and then you can see it lift up. You can see the screen lift up. Now watch the screen lift up. See? Lifts up, and then you're able to do it nicely. And then we bring it back over here, and we're finished with that one. Should look good. And it does. Okay? There. Now we'll go ahead and print a bunch of these that we have here, one at a time.